Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start staking crypto with Crypto.com step by step clearly. Open the Crypto.com app on your smartphone. Log in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Navigate to the Earn section from the app's main menu. Select Stake from the available options. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to stake. Review the staking rewards and terms for that particular asset. Tap on the Stake Now button. You'll be prompted to choose the amount of crypto you want to stake. Enter the desired amount into the provided field. Review the staking details displayed on the screen. Confirm your staking amount by tapping on Confirm. You may need to accept the terms and conditions. Complete any additional verification if requested. Once confirmed, you will see a confirmation screen. Your staked crypto will be locked for the specified period. You will start earning rewards from the moment your stake is active. To check your staking status, go back to the Earn section. Here, you can monitor your rewards and stake at any time. If you wish to unstake, navigate back to the Stake section. Select your staked asset and choose the Unstake option. Follow the prompts to complete the unstaking process. Your crypto will be available for withdrawal after the unstaking period. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.